This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending July 5th, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The market was closed on Friday, so we're talking about Thursday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.77% on Thursday and was up 2.3% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.83% on Thursday and was up 1.72% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.02% on Thursday and was up 1.62% for the week. And for the second week in a row, the market showed great strength, which was fantastic, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was up 1.81% this week, which was great too, but that doesn't really matter either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. I make cash flow off of Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is ultimately volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Bit Digital Incorporated, ticker symbol BTBT in the third column. It was up 11.79% on Thursday and increased 46.27% for the week. Bit Digital Incorporated is a cryptocurrency mining company that provides high performance computing, that's HPC, infrastructures, digit asset production data centers, and cloud based HPC graphics processing units, that's GPU, services for customers like artificial intelligence, that's AI, and machine learning developers. Bit Digital designs, develops, and operates HPC data centers where they offer hosting and co-location services. The company has four business segments: digital asset mining, cloud services, co-location services, and ETH staking. The digital asset mining segment mines Bitcoin. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 8 different option contracts that range from $55.34 to $155.34. I received a total of $769.72 for the 8 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. So far, I'm about 2 months ahead of schedule. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it, or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $769.72 this week? Well, you probably know that I take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 1.92%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. There are many ways to use options. In fact, there are hundreds of different option strategies people have come up with. I employ one of the easiest strategies, one that guarantees me income every week. It is very simple, it's very easy, and it's actually known by people who trade options. I only found out recently that I didn't invent anything, it already has a name. Do you know what the strategy is called? Well, my way of applying the strategy, however, is a bit different from how others apply it. I do some things differently. So, for example, I employ an inventory management and momentum technique. I never close and I never roll. My way is much easier than what I've heard other people say. They use a lot of math to explain what you can do. They talk about contingencies and about maximizing gains. I keep it simple and straightforward. I don't try to maximize anything. I take what the market gives me, and the market does give. And it gives me at least $500 per week, and yes, often more. And this is based on my inventory management and momentum system. Before you try to understand this strategy or any strategy you get from YouTube, I think you need to read a book or two to gain foundational knowledge about stocks and options. Fortunately, there are hundreds, actually thousands of books available to you for free at the library. The library is a great place. Thousands of books for free. Or you can buy some books cheaply online. Most books are designed to inform you generally, not specifically. There are a few how to books, and those are books that show you specifically what to do. Whether they are general or specific, most books should help you change your mindset, and that's the first step. I am not showing you exactly how I use options. It should be good enough to understand that I sell options related to Bitcoin. I don't buy options. There are plenty of people, traders, and financial institutions that buy options. I get money from the options that I sell. That is why cash flow is guaranteed. Selling options is a lot easier than selling anything else. For one, I don't have to advertise. There is no marketing costs. I don't have to search for or find buyers. If you understood the US financial system, you would know that the buyers are built into the system. There is no customer acquisition costs. The only cost that I incur is a commission fee, and you see that that fee is usually 66 cents per sale. And are there any drawbacks? You tell me. There must be something. What do you think? The purpose of my videos is to report and show you the proof of getting guaranteed income as I receive it, week by week. I hope that you are motivated enough to do your own research, read, watch YouTube videos, discuss with a trusted and knowledgeable friend, and see what they have to say. If they don't know what I'm talking about, then that's the wrong person to be talking to. They simply don't know enough. In the meanwhile, check back each week to see how much cash flow or income I generate and to see whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.